going around me. That was definitely in the book that he was reading.
Abby, what's
you going
your
up or
song?
you standing
My
there?
song?
Go for it.
Yeah. I can't even think of it. Like random. I don't know. Don't ask me hard questions.
Sorry, that was a really hard
Come
one.
on. Dude, I'm not thinking you're right.
I know, I'm sorry. No.
Go for it.
You good?
Let me get out of your way. I already found out why I have a helmet on.
Your head.
Yeah. It'll get you. Here, go on. Let's see, go on. Do you want them going on past? Going around me, Steven. Juave, is my red light on?
Yes.
Nice. You're on camera. On through, Steven. On through. Just go on around me. Go on around me.
Really slick, so just hang on to that rope.
Sorry.
And there's a rope, you're going to follow it all the way out. Once you get out of the hole, you're going to stop there, okay?
Job hard. Just going around me.
Behind you?
Yep. Kind of getting in the middle here.
Yeah, follow that rope. Try to stop and try to get low any chance that you
Okay,
get.
I'm so excited.
Just like as close as you want. Just like you can slide along and close.
Quite a bit more without this helmet.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Harley, stop.
I think I got it somewhat. It might still be a little loose, but not too bad.
Sometimes there could be that way out there. Alright, we're actually not going that way. We're going to go this way.
Oh, we're going there?
Yes. Yeah, that's product. That's product. See him? So it's so cute. So he's not gone through a full metamorphosis. That one can actually see. That's why he's running away from the light. But when they are completely through their metamorphosis, they'll be completely blind and you can see all their organs. What? Alright, guys, we're going to keep going right this way. Can we get one?
I can take it from you. Okay. You want me to take it? Yep.
Aren't you glad you went low?
No.
I liked it.
You gotta want it.
It's like you're getting eaten by the rocks.
Hi, babies.
Salamander babies. Unconfirmed yet. Alien babies. Nearby.
Alright.
Yeah. Where at? Just their tiny museum. Oh, is that like? I don't know. I'm not gonna lie. You just made that up. Face under jump under face.
I gotta see the thing.
That is a killer right here. Oh yeah, but
It's so slick.
you're lucky woman.
There's a little hole right there.
Oh yeah, man.
This takes some core strength.
Hey, buddy.
I hope it's a breakable item.
Oh my goodness. You got it.
You got this.
Oh, there.
Yeah.
We're like right there.
Yep. Okay, you're gonna bonk your head when you go back about.
Oh, my light.
You're good. You're good. You can fix it when you get up here.
I just can't see very well.
And I'm helping. I know, shining the light right in your face.
Oh, you're good. Oops. Okay. One second, almost. Let's see.
Then shimmy past me.
Ow! Ooh, ouch. Okay, my feet under me. There we go. All right.
Aren't you gonna come up behind me?
Landing myself. Oh, behind you?
Yep. Okay, Anna, you're up.
I'm right here.
Look at you.
All right. That wasn't too bad.
No.
Okay.
How am I doing? Skinny thoughts. You can turn your head to the left just a little.
Yeah.
There you go.
It's that light. Destiny's helping me.
And here comes Corey.
Who knew the worm would come in so handy? Like being born. I assume. I don't really remember. Woo! Hold on. Who is this right here? Is this John's feet?
That's John's feet.
All right. Kneel at your feet, John. All right.
Did you, Harley?
Just put some handicap rails in. I think it would just
Yeah, I
be
think it may not be ADA compliant.
All right, you're going to come back one more foot and you're going to bonk your head, which will be fine. Once you bonk your head, I want you to start sitting up. Good job, man.
I'm going which way?
You're going to go behind me. I'm going to flatten up against this. You got another ledge right here above your head. About a foot.
There we go.
Okay, when you go back, your head is going to smack a rock. Just be aware, and then you can sit straight up.
Okay.
There's your rock. Good job. That is the hardest part. Woo! Is that awesome?
That is pretty fun.
Oh gosh.
You ready? You ready for the push?
No.
Are you shoving?
There's no graceful way to go through this, just so you know.
What's your L&D count?
No, I say, let's keep that.
There you go. Hey, you want to take my bag?
Yeah, just pitch it.
We're at a salamander pool, so don't get in the water. Can you pass it?
What's that?
We're at a salamander pool, so don't step in the water.
Hey guys, don't. Hey guys, don't step in this water. It's a salamander pool. Go around it.
Yeah. Okay, we got a salamander here. Now, baby, so you see salamander? Oh, yeah, there's a cave salamander. And there's probably, we can't see them here, so there's probably eggs in here. Because right now is the time that they start having babies in the cave.
So
Probably a good month, we'll have some more babies. Step on this rock and this one, and watch out.
got him on accident.
Hi. Who's tired of low bridges already?
The teeth of a fossilized creature. Good one.
Would you, right? Yeah, like would wait.
Am I singing the lead or the bass line?
The lead. The lead.
One, two,
Here we go. When the night is come, and the land is low, and is the only light we'll see. No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't share the tears just as long as you stand by me, stand by me. Darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me.
Sally says good job.
Good job. And his new job is labor delivery for salamanders. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I want Lion sleeps tonight.
Yes, I'm videoing that.
Gotta find the kitty. Wait, who's doing that? Am I doing it? Alright, hold on. Find it. It's on this. I don't think these were real. I'm not gonna lie. Somebody's gonna sing real high the way you started that.
I don't think.
Wait, you don't?
Who said I didn't?
Oh, I do.
What is it?
What is it?
What happened?
I can't tell if that's terror or excitement.
I think it's
Excited.
I don't think it's terror. Maybe somebody draws on it. What happened?
Something called up asleep. That's all I heard.
Anybody know any like siren shanties?
Hard. Pirate shanties?
I thought
it's like
impersonation.
there's nothing and then it's just stalactites everywhere.
I know.
I don't know if this is the place everybody never got to. Oh, yeah, it's deeper over here.
What's the Rihanna or like the off there?
This is nicer.
Here gets the north there, Miles.
Check it out. You only use me for your personal now. We can do this together.
Christmas carols would be a good idea.
What are we doing now?
I'll just keep going.
All right. Oh my, I feel like it'd be easier to just swim.
Go for it.
Yeah, do it.
you did your own thing.
Full send.
Yeah, I got the bag.
Okay.
Okay. Here we go. Oh, yeah, I can't do that. There we go. I gotta turn this thing this way.
I think you had it the other way. Well, I guess either way will probably be fine, but I think you had it turned the opposite.
Well, why don't I do it the opposite? I think you're right. I still want to get that wedge. That would be a bummer. Nobody wants your head.
You can pull your helmet off and just drag it behind you.
I might do that. I'm just picturing it not being. Although it's nice for the rest, you can.
Well, I'll tell you, I definitely wouldn't have it attached while you're going through there, because if it gets bound and your head starts feeling like it's
Choking?
yeah, it's not fun.
Yeah.
But point that camera right at your face.
Okay.
Just make sure you
Well,
know.
I gotta get. I'm gonna set it here for a minute. Are you able to hand it to me when I get in there?
I don't have much arm room.
Okay, here. Let me get in here. Hello.
I think, I don't know.
Take him. Just give it. All right. There you go.
Oh my goodness. You were right.
You got both your arms up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ow!
Did you find that wedgie?
Oh my goodness, yes. It's terrible.
Sometimes you gotta really roll
Do you have do you have a clean?
Yeah, that one was painful.
Oh, wait.
Just give it a shove. It's not going anywhere. Is that Destiny showing off? Huh? Oh, Destiny's going the other way.
Oh, boy.
No, that looks like a little bit of work. No time. You can just push that bag in the water. It'll float. There you go. Now just kind of hop side to side if you can.
I've got to go backwards.
That works too.
Oh yeah. I forgot about
Good job. Awesome.
How narrow this part is.
Yeah.
Okay, we can stand.
Abby, I'm loving the mud. Did you do that?